Okay, here is our modified 3D rendering for these jobs. Starting off with Kristen's office space here. All these cabinets are now 16 deep. Our lateral file drawers here and our closet space, the layout, I didn't change that much. We have 48 inches here. This is 39 inches and our adjustable shelving here on these sides. So these two cabinets in the middle here are the Euro frameless cabinets, and then the cabinets left and right here are face frame because they're going to be open with no doors. So there's about 1.5 inch wide rail on here. It's the right way to do that to make it look good. And then the fillers that are scribed to the wall here. The inside of this is finished. I know you guys want a white glazed distressed look, and that same look will be applied to the inside. The distressing is really done most significantly to the doors, moldings, corners. Big flat panels in here. I mean, I'll dent and distress those a little bit, but not to the extent of the face. We need to make it look natural, and the fronts of doors take a lot more wear than the inside of a cabinet. So it'll be done, but just in proportion. This is not Nova ply. On the inside, it's a white melamine. I think that'll look better. I know it's in a closet. We don't need to throw everything at it. These are full extension drawers, 1/2 inch white melamine. And if we take a closer look at those, we'll have some room in the back for legal documents. So this cabinet's 16 deep, and our lateral file storage here, but there'll be a bit of room in the back here for legal documents, whatever you may want. Backing out. So this space here is, actually let's put this wall back in here so we can see it. We were 12 inches before, now we're 16, 27 inches deep, so we have about 11 inches of room here now, which is still doable because I know we're not going to be standing, or expect to be standing right in front of this cabinet here. We'll be standing someplace in here and just in reach over there. So not quite as much room, but it's still workable. And I had quoted you guys the first time with the Ridgeland door style, and after seeing it last week with that massive crown molding and base molding, I thought a door like this with a little bit more substantial molding might pair up better with what you guys are going for in there. Of course, this is an upgraded door. I think this is another $215 to go to a door like this, San Marino. And I had quoted you guys with the Ridgeland, this look. So this is flat. This is 3/4 inches thick and all one piece here, versus the San Marino, where this is called an applied molding. It's laid on top, so you can kind of see the depth. This piece here sticks out about 5/16 further than this here. Take it or leave it, just my idea to pair that up a little bit better. Adjustable shelving in here behind these doors. And then, of course, our open space. Come on, computer. Open space above here. So, moving on to the mudroom. We've adjusted this to encompass the light socket, or excuse me, the wall switch for the vacuum. The inside of this cabinet and this is Nova ply, similar to your current kitchen. The melamine, or excuse me, maple finish material, and then this here, again, face frame cabinets because they're open. And we can see that these cubbies, the 6 sides in here, which will be lined with the snow fencing. And I don't know why I didn't think about this last time I was meeting with you guys. We were concerned about protecting the bottom of this. I mean, you guys know what that material is like. It's unfinished, and you have thousands of square feet of it on your house. But instead of putting a different material here that's finished to prevent it wearing, or maybe a piece of glass, like 1/4 inch glass on the bottom. And even with this piece here, maybe we do a 1/2 inch thick piece of glass down here to sit on, or we can put a finished wood piece here that would complement all this. But that's, I just don't want to take away from the snow fencing, because this is going to be look really nice, and I don't want to steal away from that by putting something here. This, I think, wouldn't be muted. That's why maybe if we just did a glass top, it wouldn't distract too much from it. And again, if we're going to be putting several mediums in here with the metal back and then the snow fencing, I just don't want to overdo it with too much. Almost kind of less is more mentality. Bottom of this is finished or lined with the snow fencing, and an idea possibly to put puck lighting underneath there. Lighting like that just does so much for spaces like this. Denny's going to probably throw rocks at me if you guys decide to do that, having to put a wall switch to control these lights or whatever in there. But I know it's just a mudroom, but it can look nice. On the top of this, with soffit, you can't do crown molding out of that material, obviously. Just a piece of material, about 2.5 inches tall off of this, adjustable shelving in here. We can probably get away with one shelf someplace here, and then mount that vacuum to the side. And the toe kick, whoops, wrong way. The toe kick is skinned with that material too, just like a 1/4 inch veneer placed over the front of that, and adjustable shelving up here. So that's where we are at with this. I've adjusted all the prices in there off of this, but let me know what you think. Thank you.